Hello. Today I'll be back testing third week of March. I think it is third week. So let's get into it. Okay, all-time highs, bullish structure. It seems like we filled this new week opening gap and we're probably gonna be going back up to all-time highs. We have these slanted highs here kind of, well, they're somewhat high resistant, but it seems like price is gonna start drawing back to them. Use them as draws on liquidity. So we see that 4-hour high here. We have a 4-hour gap right here. So ideally, I'm taking a continuation. Market opens lower into a high time frame PDA, and then we get a distribution up to our DOL. That's previous day high. We're trading in a 1-hour gap, so that's something to note. All right. Can we go higher? Oh wow. No way, we immediately take out DOL, right? Yeah, we do. All right, so this will turn kind of more into a external range liquidity to internal range liquidity trade. It's like a mech model, and we're actually in a gap on ES. Is there a daily gap here? Nope. We have a 4-hour gap unmitigated right here. Ideally, that's what we'll tap into before we go higher. That's what ES took out. Yeah, internal high. I'd like to see us displace then. We have a 4-hour all the way down there. We have a 1-hour right here though. NASDAQ, we have a 1-hour right here. All right. So as long as we get like an inversion. Or perhaps a continuation higher. We took out, what is that? Oh, that's a 4-hour, and we're generating low resistance. It is 945 manipulates again, and then okay, I like that. 945 manipulates. We kind of get like a stop hunt here, and we get pretty good displacement. Close of that 1 minute. We have some liquidity we built up here. 930 lows, we have unmitigated gap 1-hour. We're reacting off this, like what, it's like a 4-hour gap that we're kind of respecting here, or we're going to respect. No, it's not. It's a 1-hour gap. We took out this 1-hour intermediate, or sorry, 4-hour unmitigated, and this intermediate gap here, right? Or not just as high. I think we're definitely going to go lower now. I don't like how ES is generating buy side though. I do like this trade though. We're going to go for a 1-to-1. Actually, I'm going to go to this low. That seems a bit better. We do have a 5-minute gap, so maybe actually a 1-to-1 would be nice. Oh, whoops. Place order. There you go. Bang. TP hit. Did we go lower? Oh yeah, we go way lower. Ooh. If I was gonna target this full place, I would target here. But we did hit TP there. Nice, a nice 1-to-1. I wonder. Yeah, you end up getting stopped that we don't trade lower there. ES did take out 930 lows. What time? To get out here, 954. So kind of right when you're in that 1-to-1 area. So yeah, good trade. I do really like that trade. Nice trade. We sweep out on the higher time frame. we sweep out, or we tap into an unmitigated high time frame PDA. 1 hour, we're sweeping major buy side liquidity as well. ES doing the same thing, also resweeping a intermediate high here, so making that, you know, extra high resistant. And then we're generating LR on NASDAQ to go lower, sell side. And then we get a 945 PO3 opens up, we manipulate, and then we get good displacement, good inversion. And that's the trade. Good trade. All right, that is Monday. Let's go into Tuesday. Straight to the 4-hour chart. It looks like we ended up going down on the day right now. I don't think it's letting me see. Oh no, this is Monday. Are we about to open Tuesday? Sorry, I should do that. Okay, that opens Tuesday. All right, so yeah, Monday. Okay, we end up going up, and looks like we're opening lower. So yeah, we are distributing off of the 4-hour gap. We kind of, you know, swept this high. Well, actually, that's right next to each other. But yeah, both pairs, we have that true manipulation, distributing off a high time frame gap. ES made it even more high resistance. We can see it's like turtle soup inside this gap, big wicks. We distribute down lower. We're like barely reacting off this 4-hour right here on ES, as you can see. NASDAQ, we kind of completely ripped through it. So I am expecting probably like the low of this range here, or at least this low. One of these, we have previous day low right here as well. Wait, is that previous day low? I'm pretending previous day low is right here, but all right, no, this is previous day low. Monday. All right, whatever. So I like how both assets are looking, both pairs. And now I just want to see, okay, this 4-hour gap as well, we're dumping from. We are trading inside of a 4-hour gap currently. So let's mark that out. Oh, let's put that on the candle. So we got that to worry about. We are in a 1-hour gap right here, so we're putting this low. We have Asia lows we saw. Look at all this like these slanted lows right here. They like none of them are sweeping each other out. Like this looks like such a textbook short day. Textbook day for shorts. All right, so let's see. My only problem is I think price is just gonna like just dump lower. Since we have the LR, we have these, and especially since we have this, I wonder if there's like a gap we can inverse here. There's a 2-minute gap, a 3-minute gap. Let's see. Okay, we're going so much lower. I think we're gonna sweep out all this liquidity. Like I'd rather take a trade. We get a CISD too. Low key, this is pretty risky, but I'm pretty confident that we're going to that this is gonna hit. Let's go for 1-to-1. No way. Oh my god. Holy stop loss. Thank you, stop loss. Oh my god, that was so close to my stop. Dude, hold on. That was 3 ticks away from my stop loss. Holy. That probably could have stopped you out on like the live markets with like slippage and whatnot. Or maybe not. Wow. But yeah, good trade. I've had really high conviction that price is going to dump lower, especially 930 volatility. If we're going to do that, and then we respect this like 1-minute gap right here, go down lower, you could have taken a trade. You could have taken like, I probably would have taken a re-entry back down here, to be honest. But you could have gotten that extra confirmation, wait for the pullback. We see we respect price. We don't resweep, but we go down way lower. Again, displacement, and boom. And yeah, that's pretty much a trade. We're probably gonna rip all the rest of these targets. Unless we don't, unless we generate. Oh shoot, I didn't mean to delete them. I wanted to see price, see what we do. Okay, let's just go to the next day. Next day, did we take them out? Where's, oh wow. Where are we? Oh, we are way up here. Yeah, we kind of edged some of those, huh? We took out, wait, was this? Yeah, this was Tuesday. Okay, we took out some stuff. We took out one thing. Okay, back to the higher time frame. It looks like, yeah, we ended up going up from there. It's crazy how we didn't take out those lows. We have this 4-hour gap. We have this high. We've been pretty much like ranging. Hmm. Kind of just gonna have to wait and see how price reacts off like PDAs. We did tap into this 30-minute and we did reject off of it, so that could mean price wants to be bearish. ES probably like the same story. I think the assets are kind of uncorrelated right now. ES, we swept out this external range liquidity. Yeah, it seems honestly like ES is bullish. We're kind of disrespecting like the fact that this is like a like mechanically like high resistance. So price seems like it wants to go higher, at least on ES. MQ, we can use this as a target. Yeah. There's 30-minute. Let me look at the hourly. So I do like bullish. I do like us being bullish. But I could also see us bearish if price, I mean, I'm more convicted that price will be bullish, but we could see like short-term bearish price action. Okay, we're in a 15-minute or something like that. Oh, we're inside of a 15-minute as well. That's something to keep in mind. ES has a 15-minute as well. Let's see. Okay, we resweep into the 30-minute. ES taps a 15-minute. Okay, so we inverse a bunch of stuff, seems. Inverse, though, we're inside of a 3-minute. 4-minute, we're about to be in a 4-minute. It's kind of unfortunate how big your stop's gonna be there. Okay, that's the end of the 4-minute. We're almost inversing. And it seems like, yeah, it doesn't seem, I might wait for a pullback, to be honest. We have like a, kind of like a CISD here. I mean, I do see us like just taking out the 1 hour. I think I might fade this. We have some LR here. This might play out to the lows on ES. I do like the structure though. Like we have LR built up. Yeah, honestly, I'm gonna take this. We didn't inverse it, but you know, volatility and whatnot. I think this would be good. I'm not gonna go full wick just because like if we are gonna go up, I would see us just ripping up. Okay, I think right there I'm gonna go break even. Yeah, we took out most of the LR. We took out this low, the 1 hour internal low. ES took out this low. Made equal lows with it. Okay, nice. Good trade. And it seems like we keep dumping. Maybe. And I'll just chop. Ooh, is that like a... That was... Wow, that was like a continuation right there. 5-minute inverse, but mid, you don't really get good delivery. I mean, maybe you get like a 1-minute inversion. Yeah, right here, it plays out to the lows. So this kind of, oh, this actually looks good. It's like accumulation, manipulation, and kind of mid distribution. Doesn't play out to the lows, but that actually looks like pretty okay structure to me. If I had not skipped through, like I wouldn't have taken this because I already took a trade, but I would have said, oh yeah, this looks really good. Probably take it to this low. 2 RR trade, nice. Price action is looking good. I know last week, was it second week of March 2024? Just not that good. Not that, or at least I didn't perform that well. Okay, we're back up to all-time highs. It is Thursday. So honestly, I'm just gonna be looking for like a continuation. Okay, let's see. Inverse 30-minute gap. Yeah, okay. ES looking the same. We did take out these like lows here with the previous day low. I don't know if the previous day low is accurate though. Previous day low should be this. Thursday, or is today Friday? Is today? No, it's Thursday. Okay. So let's see what price does. Yep, come slower as expected. Oof. Did we have a 15-minute? No, we did not. The 10 a.m. dude, and we didn't really do much. Not much movement. Oh no, sorry, this was that candle. We did not inverse the 15-minute gap. We did tap into the 1 hour ES. What did ES do? ES did tap into a 15-minute. Is there a 1 hour? Oh, it edged the 1 hour. And that's all good. I don't really see an inversion here. Take a CISD. Maybe this 2-minute CISD. Here, whatever. I don't know if I really like this trade. To be honest, big wicks up here. Pretty slow price action. I mean, we're tapping a 1 hour. ES is already kind of like halfway up there. I mean, technically it's all-time highs. I don't like the big wick though. I might fade this. I mean, we have a 5-minute gap. I'll go break even at the 5-minute. And I'll go at like right here. 1-to-1. This will pretty much be like instant break even. 15-second. Oh my gosh. Oh, I didn't even take the trade. I didn't even place a trade. That's my bad. Okay, maybe that was me actually hesitating. Does it play out though? It does end up playing out. Huh? Good stop though. Unfortunately, I did not take that trade, but it does play out kind of mid-price action. Pretty choppy day. I'm kind of glad I didn't take that though, because I definitely would have been scared right there. All right, next day is Friday, last day of the week. We're looking at a maybe 100% win rate week, you know. Okay, we're tapping this 4-hour gap. Manipulation on both pairs. We have this as a target. I mean, we are kind of, this does kind of look bearish. Yes, 1 hour. What is going on? Oh, I was on the 1 minute. Sorry. Oh my gosh. All right, so we are in a 1 hour, and yes, we're in a 1 hour in both pairs. So we'll see how it does, how price reacts. How price, yeah. All right, 30-minute right there. Okay, we go lower. Kind of doing nothing. It's all right. There is a 15-minute right here. And there is a 15-minute right here. Oh, we've kind of been like, this looks really bad. So resweep that low, perhaps I'll take a long. Okay. Okay. Big 5-minute here. Super big displacement. Low key, if we go back into like this area, if we pull back, I'll take a trade. Okay. Nice. Did we make a 5-minute or something? About to. So 1 minute gap. Okay. I like the displacement. I think we're gonna go higher. All the way to the 30-minute unfilled. No, Friday. Let's ball out Friday. Oh no, we have a 15-minute gap here. So actually, I'll just go for a 1-to-1. Bruh. Whoa. What is going on? Oh my god. I low key. There's no way we edge. Oh, but it's a 15-minute gap. I'm definitely moving my stop a little bit just so just to save some money. Do I go break even here? I feel like, we just, come on, please. Bank. Okay. Because we are in a 15-minute gap, so that's definitely scary, but we have a more premium gap offered, and we do actually end up going all the way there. Holy. Damn, I could have held. Yeah, I mean, the 15-minute gap, though, we have like a more premium 30-minute. It is a 30-minute, and so we did kind of wick. Not really. That was kind of like accumulation, weird stuff. Delivered off the 15-minute gap, though, which is what matters. We did get like a CISD entry. I know I've seen PB Blake do that before. Like, this is CISD, wait for the retest. But it does make sense though, like it's kind of like as a continuation. Oh yeah, price is definitely bullish, especially if you get that big displacement. All right, nice though. Nice. This was a good week. That was Friday, March 22nd. Our win rate is slowly going higher, slowly getting higher. Now we did pretty bad, I think, what was last month? Yeah, last month. The month before we had quite a few losses. Yeah. This month was holy. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 losses, and only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Still negative on this month. This month I think is maybe positive slightly. Actually, I think it is because I risked hella on this. March though, March is actually looking pretty peak. Lovely week, 100% win rate week. We did fade here. That it was a win. It would have been a win though, but I forgot to place the order. So it's kind of cope, but yeah.